guys, Susie Nelson here with Affiliate Marketing Informant, and welcome to my 100K Cloner review by Chris X and Rich Williams. Kim and I have spent a few hours going over this product and its training so that you don't have to. If you want to know if 100K Cloner is going to be your one-click commissions, free website, and all-in-one traffic solution, then stick with me because I'm going to be going over what 100K Cloner promises. We'll take a real look inside, what you need to know before you buy. I'll go over the OTOs and the pricing, and then my personal opinion of 100K Cloner. As your affiliate marketing informant today, I'll be informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If you find value in this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and comment below. We'd love to interact with you. While you're down there, be sure to check out our best high-quality training and tools available for you today. Let's get started. Here we are on the 100K Cloner sales page. It says one click clones the site that made $105,208 in ClickBank commissions. Clone his 105K commissions and built-in traffic. It's going to be 100% new. It's a new method. They tell us that twice. You're going to make 100% commissions, get 100% free traffic, zero hosting, tech skills, or experience, which means it's 100% beginner friendly, 100% done for you campaigns, 100% cloud-based app, and they are 100% sure about this product. One other thing I noticed over here in their sales video, it says it's the ultimate one-click commission website and traffic solution. Let's take a look inside the dashboard and see if that's going to be true. And as we try to change the page, you'll notice you get a $3 discount here. So instead of $17, it will be $14 today. Now we're in the 100K Cloner dashboard. There is no training. Here is just your profile and your logout. You have your 3 toggle options at the top, which again, another one is logging out. And as you scroll down, you will see many websites that have already been made, but there is no other buttons, options, or training available in this dashboard. Let's get started creating a new website. So you can see right here, you're going to choose your URL. They do not give you any options other than the end. So your beginning is going to be 100kcloner.co/s/ whatever you decide to name your site. Next, you would enter your ClickBank name. The reason they're using ClickBank is because there is no wait to get approved for your affiliate link to promote products. So they are using ClickBank here to guarantee you that. Another new company on the scene is Digistore24. And Digistore24 also has no waiting to get approval for your affiliate links. If you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Digistore24 for affiliate marketing for beginners, be sure to check the link above. For now, I'll just put a fake name in and we'll create our website. They want to make sure that you're sure that this is the extension that you want to put on there. So we're going to say, okay. Then you would go in and you would set up all of the information that they're asking you to put in. You've got a site name, again, your ClickBank name, your support email, a welcome text. We have an about you section. We also have a disclaimer section. And here in the disclaimer section, I would make sure to put a little bit about terms and conditions. And I'm going to show you why in just a second. So next you would want to upload a logo. They do tell us that if you don't have a logo, that you can just put your text in and you have the option to change your font. And if we did that, you can see it pops up on the right hand side and you can change the font and see what it would look like. So my default theme on this one is going to be purple. I would like to change it to blue. And you see when I click blue, it goes to green. So if I click green, it goes to red. And if I click yellow, it does nothing. So this actually looks like it's busted and broken. That will work for me. Again, you can change your theme font. And for SEO setting, you would put in a keyword, the author name, and a description. And then at the bottom, you would add your pixel codes for analytics and tracking. Once you've got that set up the way you like, you would save changes to website setup. And you can see here it's taking you through the steps. So we've looked at our site, we've gone through the setup. Now we're picking our niches. So you have to choose 5 niches. You can't just choose 1 or 2 to focus on. You do have to choose 5 niches that you would like your website to focus on. I will just choose these 5. So if I only have 4 and I try to save and close, it tells me that I do need 5 niches. So I will have to add that 5th one in, save, and choose products. So what they're doing here with choosing products is they're putting all of the products that they have released and all of the products that their buddies have released in here so that you don't have to wait to get approval and so that you can go ahead and promote them. So basically what you're doing is promoting Chris X and Rich Williams and all of their buddies and all of their product. For each niche, you will have to select a video. Here you see a thumbnail blaster. Guys, if you are interested in learning how to create cool custom thumbnails, please be sure to click the link above where Kim goes over that in Canva for y'all in detail. Here I'll just pick one for each as I scroll down, just so we'll have something in the website so you guys can take a look at it and see what's happening. Okay, Now that we've got those picked out, we will need to choose your number one pick out of the products that you chose. And then it's going to have you put in some information around that. So let's take a look. If you don't remember the name of the product you just chose, you can do this. See, it spins and picks out anything that you've chosen as a product. You can give it a rating. This is where your affiliate link goes. A mini review is already populated, but you could change it. There's also a video link that goes with it. And then you would go down for each niche and pick that. So the first niche was video, and our second niche is going to be affiliate. Again, just hit the toggle switch. And you can see here it goes through all the different options that you've already got on there. So I will do this for each one and save and proceed to sidebar. All right, so here it tells you you're going to be adding elements to your sidebar, such as banners, social URLs, and autoresponder code to start building your list. Here, they say start building your list. They are not giving you any new traffic. They are not giving you any new names. They are not giving you a new list. You will have to start building your own. So let's just pick 2 banners here. We'll pick these top 2 just for the sake of ease. Next, you would choose 2 300 by 325 banner ads. I am just going to pick the first 2. Then you would need to upload your autoresponder code. And again, they tell you add this if you want to build a list via your sidebar. And then finally down at the end, they give you a chance to enter your social URLs to share. So if you put your Facebook or your YouTube information in here, it would pop up on the bottom in little buttons so that people can push them and jump straight to your social site. Now that we've got that done, let's save and create your site. And you see it takes you back to the 100K Cloner website, where you would scroll all the way down to find the website that you just named. You can see here, Swazi 1234. And if we click on that, it takes us to the website we just made. This is the logo that I put in. You can see here in the banner, here are the 5 different niches that we chose to go into. You have your welcome, about you, and here they tell what I picked as my number 1 video product. And you can see it's just a review site on all of the products that they sell on ClickBank, and some of them on Warrior Plus. They do give you an option to choose your product, choose your bonus and order. So they are providing a few bonuses for you to give away with these products. You can see them on the left over here. There's your bottom banner. And here's the disclaimer where I said you needed to put a little bit more of your terms and conditions in there. And let me show you why. If I hit the terms and conditions button, it takes us to the previous product that they released called Commission Creator. Incidentally, I have already done a review on that if you guys are interested. That's not terms and conditions for your website. Oh, look, I got a $3 discount on that one too. Let's go back to the website we made. And again, this is the website. So it says, copyright, all rights reserved, and then all of your information. So this website is going to look like all of the other websites that are made minus different products. So they're all going to look just like this with different product names in here and maybe different color based on what you put it. And you also see our website is going to be 100kcloner.co/s/xyz1234. Now that we've found that, if we wanted to edit it, we would click the pencil. You make sure that it's got your name and your current ClickBank name. Update your website. It says this cannot be changed, and we knew that. So here you are if you needed to make any changes in your website, update your support email or anything like that. That's just another way you can get to it. Now that we've seen what editing can do, let's take a look at what sharing does. Here they take you through the process again. It looks step by step. They tell us we're going to get traffic from 75 social media sites without writing any content. Now, let's get started. So you're going to choose your niche. They give you the options of make money, affiliate, and internet marketing. We're going to proceed to choose content. They give you the questions in your headlines to build curiosity and entice people. I'm just going to choose the first one. Then we choose our call to action. This website answers that question and solve your problem. Click here. We'll choose the first one. And then you can select your image, which to grab attention and hint at the transformation your product offers. So you can choose any of these here and then proceed to preview and edit. So they're showing you this on a mobile phone because this you can post to social sites. So you want to make sure that this is the image you want. If you don't, click browse image and you can pull in any image from your website that you would like. You also have an option to double click on the text and edit it either with the initial question that you ask or the follow-up. Once you've got that where you like it, you would save and get traffic. And then that brings you straight into click the share icons below to confirm and promote. So if I show all, it shows all of these options. So again, we're looking at an add-to-any.com situation that they have pulled and put onto their app. So if you guys are interested in this or need this for any reason, check out add-to-any.com. But here they give us Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. You can see as you go down again, Evernote, which is a note app, MySpace, quite a bit outdated. They've got Skype, Yahoo Mail. They are all in here. These toggle buttons on the left are if you would like to narrow it down. So I guess for list building, they've picked the top apps they think you would need to use for that. E-commerce buyers. So if you click the buttons on the left, it does change the order of the buttons a bit. Just something to note. So you would take that page that we just made and then send it to whichever social you have signed up. Once you do that, you actually get a different name. And when you click the shared button, you would find that name and then you could look at it. You could also share it again. If the first time didn't take and you feel like you need to send it to more people, you could share it again from here. But that is what the P means, is that you posted it somewhere. Whereas if you look at my site, it's a whole different name with the S as your website. So if you guys actually need a free website, be sure to check out our video, free affiliate marketing website, and how to promote through the link above. So we've been through my site and creating, we've checked out shared and realized that this is a number we will have to find once we have posted. And let's take a look at our site one more time. Again, there is some things you can come in here and do on your own, but overall, this site is going to have the same advertisements and look exactly the same setup as everybody else. You are really going to have to go in here and work hard to do anything to stand out from all of the other people that you can see here have made different websites. You've got Test One, DDD Downs, Let's Go, Art, Money. I mean, look at all of these domain website URL names that are so similar to yours. For example, down at the bottom, you've got 123 and 1234. So super similar, nothing unique about the name. And with that website name, you are associated with 100K Cloner. Good, bad, or indifferent. If this is your website name, they will know you are associated with 100K Cloner. Is this a business that you want to partner with? Now that we know what 100K Cloner can do, what makes it unique? Again, that's a trick question with this one, guys. Cloner is in the name. So to be fair, it is a cloner. So what it does is it clones a site that is already out there, and that is not unique. Next, they claim to be 100% new, but we know that they're not. They do keep taking the same product and repackaging it over and over again with a different name and a different look, but they are all doing the same thing. Commission Creator is very similar to 100K Cloner. Now let's take a look at what you need to know before you buy. ClickBank and Digistore 24 already have no wait for approval. And that is your offer, your affiliate link. It's where they assume you're going to be getting your commissions from. If you guys are doing this because there is no wait, you don't have to wait with ClickBank and Digistore 24 either way. If you guys are interested in knowing more about Digistore 24 and how to promote their affiliate link, please check the link above. Also, the traffic that they are promising you is simply social media buttons to share your website to. And if you have no following on your social media sites, then you will not get any additional sales or commissions. Their traffic is using your current existing list. It is nothing new. It is nothing exciting. They aren't giving you anything additional. They are giving you the ability to begin building your list, but they are not giving you any additional sales, traffic, or customers. This is actually pretty common for these vendors to do. If you guys want to know the 5 truths about social media that Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, and ClickBank vendors don't want you to know, be sure to click that link above. Next, we want to look at the website and the domain quality. If you're not going to get any traffic, the only way your website is going to be seen is by SEO ranking. Let's take a look at some of that. I found a great article on brickmarketing.com, and it says that the ultimate goal of SEO is to increase the site's usability so that you can bring the right people in from the search engines. The purpose of your site should be clearly defined so that you can make sure your site achieves that purpose. When search engine visitors see that your site meets their expectations after they find you on a web search, this means your usability is solid. If visitors are disappointed, the site has missed its mark. If you're somebody looking for information on affiliate marketing and you find one of these sites right after the other one of these sites, you know that somebody copied the other one. Who are you going to give your money to? Do you give it to the first one? Do you give it to the second one? Do you you even want to spend money? These are just questions to ask yourself. Next, we'll look at duplicate content, because if your websites are the same, then they are duplicate content. So let's see. Moz.com tells us that duplicate content is content that appears on the internet in more than one place. That one place is defined as a location with a unique website address. So if the same content appears at more than one web address, you've got duplicate content. So why does that matter? Well, for search engines, duplicate content can present three main issues. They don't know which version to include or exclude. They don't know whether to direct the link metrics to one page or keep it separated between multiple versions. And they don't know which version to rank for query results. It says here that for site owners, when duplicate content is present, site owners can suffer rankings and traffic losses. So if you don't have a list and you have no traffic coming in and you have nowhere to send these social media posts or your website for that, then you're going to have to focus on SEO ranking, which is search engine optimization ranking on Google, and you want your website to come up number one for something. But if your website looks like everybody else's website, neither one of them will come up for anybody. The result is that a piece of content doesn't achieve the search visibility it otherwise would. They have a great little cartoon here that shows us this is your Google bot trying to put all of these in a search rank situation, and he is not going to list all of you because he has to figure out which one is the original. And then one last thing to note is, how do duplicate content issues happen? You can see here one of the examples is the same website name with just different additions on the end, very similar to what we're looking at here, where it's just a different word on the end. So how do you know if your website has duplicate content? Well, in this case, it's very obvious because we're using a builder. But moving forward, if you wanted to identify which pages of your site were duplicated across the web, you can use copyscape.com to check and see which pages of your site have been duplicated. And copyscape.com is free. So you just go to their website and enter in the information and it'll tell you exactly what you need to know. If we're not going to use their product that they're telling us about, we're going to need to get a website. If you guys are interested in a free affiliate marketing website and tips and tools on how to use it, be sure to check our link, and you're going to want to come up with a really good domain name. I went to googledomains.com to see what they had to say about it, and they tell us that a domain name can be one of the most important steps in establishing your brand or your business. Your domain name is often one of the first things someone sees, and it can affect their impression of your website and your brand. So if you guys are partnering with 100K Cloner, that's going to be part of your brand. Automatically, you're going to be considered part of their brand, and they're going to be considered part of your brand. Now let's take a look at the pricing in the OTOs. You can see here on the front end, it's going to be $17. Don't forget we had that $3 scarcity coupon when we moved off the page, so it could be $14. This is going to be the core software that lets people launch an instant done-for-you affiliate website that we have seen. Number 2 is going to be your unlimited option. You're going to need to upgrade to promote unlimited offers to scale commissions even further for $29. The autopilot, $39 for activate 60 times affiliate programs per day and over 1,500 campaign instantly preloaded. I don't think anybody needs to be promoting 60 times affiliate programs in one day. That's just a whole lot of work to try and keep organized and situated. Upsell number 3 is going to be the done for you at $197. You're going to let his elite team site up a done for you site for you. All we need is your ClickBank ID. Again, same typo that was in their last funnel. So clearly they just copied and pasted this. Upsell number 4 is going to be the reseller with earning 100% across the entire funnel, selling this top selling warrior offer as if it was your own. Upsell number 5 is going to be your mega bundle with get access to insane 37 software tools that cost him over $300,000 to build for only $97. All total across this funnel, you're going to end up paying $576 for the 100K Cloner. Now let's do some vendor research. Here we are in Munchai. You can see this is JVZ Rich. They have been launching since January of 2019. And you can see here they have a whole host of stuff that they have launched. often called bots. You have affiliate bots, funnel bots, video bots, traffic bots, resale bots, and then they started version 2. So you can see here they do just keep repackaging what they have released over and over again. Once we get out of the bots, we come down into affiliate cloner, and then we've got affiliate list bot, profit forcer, CB traffic bots, profit pusher, commission creator, 100K cloner. They're really just reaching for different names to come out and repackage this over and over and over again. They don't make money using these programs. They make money selling these programs to you, knowing that you can't use them to do what they tell you. Next, let's take a look at Warrior Plus. Come in under Rich Williams. They are doing business as AI Formations Limited out of Manchester. You can see here they've made a total of 23,800 sales on Warrior Plus with 269 reviews, totaling 2.66. And again, as you look, you can see 2 stars, 2.4, 2, 2.68. So basically they're average, maybe a little below average. Is that something that you want to promote, is average? All right, guys, let's make sure we answered all the questions we started with at the beginning of this program. Is 100K Cloner going to be your one click for all commissions? No. They're talking about getting your offer with one click from ClickBank, which you can do on your own by yourself without the 100K cloner. They are not talking about the commissions that you're going to get from selling this, because if you do not have a list to send this to, you will not make any money off of. Next, is it a free website? Yes, it is, but it has a common name. It's got duplicate content, and you also have the option to get a free website with a simple Google search or with our link below. You can get a free website to get yourself started, kind of get your feet wet and see what you need to be doing with this without hitching your website, your business, and your brand name to a product that you don't know enough about. And last but not least, is this going to be your all-in-one traffic solution? No. You will still need a list of people who want to buy from you via your social media sites or online. As a beginner, you only need to focus on 1 or 2 social media strategies to start. I don't think you need to go all out and try and get this in all of the different social media sites that they give you and the options and the buttons to push. Seriously, focus on 1 or 2, build your business there, and then eventually as you start to make money there, you would change and tweak your strategy a little bit. But as a beginner or a newbie, this is not going to be easy enough or immediate enough for what they promise. All right, guys, we've made it to the portion of the program where you get my personal opinion. Thank you so much for sticking around. As I've said, ClickBank and Digistore24 don't require approval for their affiliate links, regardless of whether you have 100K cloner or not. So that is something that you can go and do yourself. Next, we have plenty of free website options out in the Google universe today, or out in any internet universe today, and you can get an original domain name to start building your business and your brand. And last but not least, I highly suggest as a beginner or a newbie that you take the time to learn how to build your website properly for long-term business growth. You may have to start with small, but you can build and grow from there, and you can do it properly and make real money as a real business. Guys, I really hope this 100K cloner review by Chris X and Rich Williams helped you guys out. If it did, give us a like, subscribe down below, and if there's questions I didn't answer, feel free to comment below. I love to answer them for you as soon as I can. Guys, if you're still here, we know you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, so be sure to check out our links below. We've already done the research for you and gone through some of the crappy programs to give you what we think are hands down the best free starter training for you yet. Thanks for watching.